Hi everybody, it's Claire back with another art journal video, and a very exciting one because this is the first of a few videos I'm going to be uploading where I am showing you some of the new Dina Wakley release products for January 2022. So very excited to be asked to do this again. So here we go, let's kick off. So to start off with, I am using the Painted Marks collage paper and adding some of these pieces to the background using some gel medium. You can see I'm working in my craft journal. It is my favourite journal, and it's just such a lovely size to play in as well. It's not overwhelming because the pages are not massive, so it's one of my favourites. It seems to be my go-to one at the moment. So you notice these next pieces of collage paper I'm actually sticking on back to front. I wanted these to be a little bit more in the background, so I did actually do that quite deliberately. So don't panic, I'm not completely losing the plot here. So then I'm using this new stencil which is called Mosaic Cobblestone. It's a really cool pattern, and of course I decided I would go for my rainbow colours. You know, this is one of my favourite colour ways to use, so I'm starting off with ruby, then tangerine, then I'm going to use lemon, lime, turquoise, blackberry, magenta, fuchsia. It makes a really pretty rainbow colour effect. So this stencil is great. It works fantastically with paints, especially gloss sprays. The prettiest thing that I've done with it so far is excuse me, taking a print from the stencil when I'd used gloss sprays with it. It was so pretty. So I can see this is probably going to become a new favourite. So once I've added those colours onto the background, I then grabbed this Circles for Painting stencil. This is an old one. It is again one of my favourites, and I'm just using some white paint through this as a bit of a contrast. And then these are going to be a focal point for the next part that's going to come on the page. So I'm just using some white paint through these circle stencils. Then once they're dry, I'm going to do some scribbly outlines using a black gel pen. I'm just keeping my lines quite loose really, and not worrying about them being neat at all. So next I'm using this new Sprouts mask set, which has come from the January 2022 release. I think Dina did give a sneak peek of these on one of her supporter videos. Is really cool. The patterns are so, I don't know, I just think there's something really cute about them. So these look really effective against the bright colours of the background with the white circles, and I just wanted to kind of have that contrast with the black as well. I do love adding these botanical elements onto pages. I think it seems to be one of my favourite things to do at the moment. I've been creating quite a lot of pages with these sort of botanical things on. So once that's dry, I'm then using, I think it's the Things That Grow stencil, which was from a previous release in 2021. I'm just using the dotty part of that, the little circle stencils. They work quite well for just adding a little bit of extra interest. So I've just put those around the bottom of those black images that I've stenciled onto the page. Then I'm adding some more dots too. And then I'm just finishing off with the word stamp from the Moments stamp set, which is a new one for January 2022. Little moments matter. And isn't that so true? Then I'm just doing a bit of a shadow on one side of these stenciled images, and also adding some doodle doodles, can't speak, some doodles onto the images as well. So to do the shadow I used a Pitt marker pen. It was in like a really dark grey colour. It does kind of make things a little bit more 3D as well. And that is pretty much it for this page, so it was very exciting. There will be a video every day for the next few days where I'm going to be showing you some of the pages that I've created using these new exciting products from Dina Wakley. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.